Bring him from the yard.
This is Don the Diecast Pirate, and today I have something very special to share with you. I ordered this. What's in this box? I pre-ordered it last year, and it just came yesterday. I haven't opened it yet. I've been waiting for this video to open it. There's that thing. But first, let's do an unboxing, and then we'll get into that box. So here's a 14 car lot that I bought off of eBay junk car, or not eBay, I'm sorry. Bought off of Macari. These are junk cars, and let's get into it. So here's a Matchbox Road Roller. Now, a lot of these are going to be for like trades or given away. And here's a Matchbox Mac Auxiliary Power Truck. Somebody might be able to use something. Use that for something. And there's a couple of these Jeeps, Matchbox Jeeps, and the window frames are bent and everything. Looks like this one's missing the front grill guard and everything. Both of them that have the roll cage, that one's bent. But there's those, and we have another one of these Red Riders without the engine. And I don't know if those engines are reproed anywhere online. I have to look them up and see, or if you guys know, let me know in the comments. I did send one to my buddy Cole, one of these cars, but it was missing the engine. And then here's this field gun, Lesney field gun. So if there's any of you Matchbox guys out there that would like to have this, let me know. We can work out a trade, or we'll figure something out. All right. And then there's this Cosmobile. A Cosmobile. I don't know. It's nothing I ever would have had when I was a kid. I would have looked at this in the store and said no. But I'm sure there's people out there that love this type of thing. I think it was Paul at Diecast Graveyard possibly did custom on one of these. And speaking of Paul, he's back! He's back! Oh, I'm so happy about that. Alright. And then a Matchbox forklift. Now, I may do a custom on this and just kind of use it around here. Maybe we can figure out some way to incorporate this into the videos. I just had that thought, so don't ask me how yet. And we have a Matchbox Jaguar XJ6. Now, the door's open on this one, and so there's that. Looks like where the post is that holds the glass in. When they punched it, when they pressed it, it pushed up on the roof a little bit. I wouldn't mind doing a restoration on that, but I wouldn't mind trading it either. So you guys let me know if that's something you'd be interested in. Then we have a 33 Willys, and I have another one of these and a few Johnny Lightnings as well. So still thinking about possibly doing like a build off with those if you guys are interested in that. And we have a Matchbox Mercedes-Benz SL55. I'm not really into the Mercedes as much, so if you guys are interested in that, let me know. Right, we have a couple trucks. It says mini pickup. All right, it says mini pickup, but let me show you something. Okay, it's a full-size truck. Okay, This is based on what looks to be the 68 F100, which is a full-size truck. This is not a mini pickup, so whoever named that is wrong. I'm just saying that they're not right. All right, and then we have 4x4 open back truck, and this would be a mini pickup. This is based on that little Ford truck from the 80s, I believe, late 70s, early 80s. There's that. The back tires, are, the axle is bent, they don't turn. These two might do customs on, or, you know, either way. Now, what the last one in this box, I am going to do a custom on. Before you get Matchbox guys beat me up, I'm going to turn this into a street car. And like I said, before you Matchbox guys or anybody else beats me up on this, I have 3 more in the case I just pulled out of blisters a while ago on my channel. So if you want to see those, go back and check out my 49 car blister pull. So one of these cars I would never have to do a restoration on. This one, the back wheels, the axle's messed up. I had, my second car was a 79 Mercury Grand Marquis. Now this will never be a Grand Marquis, but I'd be interested in painting this one to match that. You know, take these searchlights off, and whatever this goofy thing is, I think that's supposed to be the radar or something. Take that off of there and shave the roof there, get rid of the lights and everything. And that bumper bar, like, you know, I can take them off the bottom and off the front, but where they stick up, I don't know if I could match that texture on the grill, so that might be something that I would have to think about. You know, see what I could do with that. In the back, there's lights in the back on the interior that would have to come out. I think it'd be pretty awesome to have one of these that's just a street car. So let's get to what's in the box. Alright, now push all that stuff back. I said when I pre-ordered these last year, and I never ever pre-order anything, okay? So it's got to tell you it's something pretty special if I pre-ordered it. And what this is oh, get it open, we'll show you. Oh, it's my favorite thing in the world. Packing corn. Alright. So, yeah, there's 2 of them in here. Let me get this out. Cooter's tow truck. Green Light, they got together with them last year and came up with this. And this was never released as a diecast in the 80s. And now it is. And so here's the other one. Alright, just kind of take a look at this. I'm going to pull one of these out of the package for sure. Let's just do it right now. Alright, take a closer look at this. It's got the dualies on the back, and I was hoping I could use it as an actual tow truck. because this part should be folded down. They messed up. They molded this so it's up all the time. This doesn't move. And if it did, it would hit these. So I'm not happy about that aspect of it, but it's still super cool. I mean, it would really be great if, yeah. It'd really be great if you could actually tow a car with this. So, still cool. This will be one of the prizes in the 300 subscriber giveaway. Speaking of subscribers, I hit 200 this morning, guys. We're doing it. I could not be happier. I was watching yesterday. Started out yesterday morning. I was at 192. And I went to bed. I was up until after 1 o'clock this morning. And I got to 199. And I woke up this morning and checked in 200, guys. 200. Wow. Thank you. Alright, that's enough for this video. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Click that like button. I really enjoy seeing all the likes. Ring the bell for notifications, and put your comments down below. You know, tell me if you like these cars. Tell me if there's any of these, not the police car. And if you're interested in doing a build off with Willys in the future, let me know and we'll work something out. I think I have 6 more of these cars, 1 more Hot Wheels, and then some Johnny Lightnings. And then these trucks, I kind of want to keep them for customs, but we'll see. You know, I'm not really stuck on these, but the rest of these, not the paddy wagon. The rest of these are up for trade or whatever. So yeah, I'm keeping the forklift. I just thought I would share this too. I pulled it out of the bottom of that box. CNH 320 is a 10% off code for Cooter, the Cooter store. So if I remember right, that's the license plate number for the General Lee, but I could be wrong. Just thought I'd share that. As always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I will see you next time.